What about it?
Which one?
We got a bird feeder. There it is.
The phone? Okay, hold on. Let's put this one first.
Let's go, Miguel. Let's go. Medium size. It's nice. Hi, Miggy. Hello. Hi. Where are we going? We're going to the store. We're gonna go get a, what do you call it? A bird feeder, right? So we can watch the birds at the backyard, the back of our house, right, Miguel? Are you excited? We got the food, we got the stand, we just need a bird feeder where we put the food in, right, Miguel? Okay, sounds good. I know. You got it?
Yes.
You're gonna pick? Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray! If you're happy and you know it, say hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray! Our driver for today, Mr. Ooh, look at the birds, Miguel. We're gonna have a lot of birds coming up.
Who's that?
Who's that? Who's that? Miguel. Say baby. Baby. Yay, good job. No, we make a right on the stop sign. Oh, look at the dog. Make a right on the stop sign. There's cars. Okay, let's go. Come on out, Miguel. Let's go. Shoes. Daddy, his shoes, please. Put his shoes on. Yay! Where's my anak? Say hi. We're going to the store. Oh, I really like this. It's like a bamboo inspired chair. You see it? Let's sit on it. Yeah. Oh. Honey, I want this. Babe. This one is nice. Did you find it yet? Iggy. Look, Miguel. Ooh. You want to try it, Miguel? High five. There's a bird feeder. These are the bird feeders. Miguel, which one do you want? Huh? Oh, that's a cute one. You like that, Miguel? Oh, careful. You like that? How much is it? You like it? The plastic one. You think it won't? Oh, sit down. Which one? That one? What do you think? Let's go, Miguel. Let's go, bye-bye. Let's leave Daddy here. He said, can we move? Of course we can move. Let's leave him here. Give me the keys. Let's go home. Miguel. This is what we chose. Well, what he chose. What do you think, Miguel? You like it? You like this? Okay, just leave it down. Okay, let's go. We chose one.
For Mom.
Thank you. Put your hat on, put your jacket on. Then we go bye-bye. How much was it? What about it?
Which one?
We got a bird feeder. There it is.
The phone? Okay, hold on. Let's put this one first.
Let's go, Miguel. Let's go.
Dad, I'm here.
Medium size. It's nice. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. No, Miguel. We're setting up the bird feeder stand right now. Then why would you put it there if there's a stone on it? Not too close to the house. I don't want them, not too close. We can always change it. We can always move it. Nice. Easy peasy. Let go, Miguel. Let go.
No, we're gonna put it in there. Look.
Let's go. I think it's what, over 6 feet tall, honey? Like about 6 feet? Squirrels won't go and bother with it. Almost done. There's the stand. Miguel. Miguel. Come here. Wow. Nice. No touch. There it is. Look at that. No, Miguel. No, don't do that. No. Let's go. Bird feeder. Nice and simple. Yay! Okay, leave that alone. Leave the seeds on the ground. Let's go. Let's go. All done. There's the first bird. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.